In this video, we introduce you to the Microsoft Teams touch panel for meeting rooms. Each room contains a camera, along with ceiling-mounted microphones and speakers, and a control panel on the desk allowing you to connect to a Microsoft Teams meeting, provided you have invited the room. To invite a room to a Teams meeting, schedule the meeting in Outlook, then click the Required button to view the Cranfield Global Address list. Search for the appropriate room, select it from the results, then click Required. Include all other attendees and send the invite. PCs are not provided in the meeting rooms, so if you want to present or share content during a meeting, please make sure you bring along a laptop with an HDMI, USB-C or mini DisplayPort connection type. If your connection type is different from those mentioned, you will need to bring an appropriate adapter with you. We hope you found this video useful. For more information on using the equipment available in the meeting rooms, please see the resources available online and in the rooms. For support, please contact the service desk.